and welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we're going over the latest MATIC miner, the Farmhouse. This project will be releasing April 13th at 1 p.m. UTC. I will be releasing this video 1 hour before launch. So in this video we'll go over the app, we'll go over the FAQs, how it works, and lastly we'll take a look at the audit. But before we get started, make sure to come visit my channel, subscribe to the channel, like this video, ring the notification bell for more time-sensitive videos just like this one. Let's go back to the application. At the top, you connect your wallet here and you have easy access to the FAQ section, which we'll go over in just a moment. The Polygon reward pool with the most organic daily returns. Here they'll have a referral leaderboard, so we'll see the most active referrals. At the top, you have the contract balance, how many MATIC will be held in the contract. Here is your wallet balance and your seeds. It states here it will be launching in 10 hours, but I will be releasing this video 1 hour before launch. Here you enter the amount of MATIC you want to deposit to get those seeds and start earning those rewards. And once it launches, you'll be able to click this button here to deposit. Here are your available MATIC rewards for withdrawal. You can either replant seeds or harvest the seeds. This is to compound your rewards, and this is to withdraw your rewards. If we scroll lower, we have the plant information. Daily returns, 7% daily returns, APR 2,555%, and there is a dev fee, 2%. That is the lowest I've seen so far. And here is the referral link system. Earn 13.5% on the MATIC used to plant seeds from anyone who uses your referral link. This is also higher than I normally see. Right off the bat, pretty good rates going there for the Farmhouse. At the bottom, you have Twitter, Telegram, you have the contract, you have Haze Crypto, and DApp Radar. I always encourage everyone to go take a look at their socials. This is where I get the latest information and do further research when investing in these projects. That is the application. Let's take a look at the FAQs. What is the price of seeds? Seeds do not have a set price. Higher TVL, more seeds per MATIC. Lower TVL, less seeds. This creates level playing field so no user can be late. There is no calculator available to work this out. So the seeds value always fluctuates based on the demand. What will my daily percentage be? Daily percentage is up to 7%. This depends on harvesting habits, the time of the day you replant or deposit, and TVL function. Average daily return is between 5 and 6%. Make a note of that. Why are my rewards not growing? Harvesting habits affect rewards. You eat too much, your daily percentage drops. If you only started with a small deposit, it will take time to display on the DApp. Only goes to 3 decimal places. So you're not seeing rewards being generated is due to the decimals in the app. TVL daily increase can cause lower daily percentage. What happens if I always harvest? If you always harvest, your daily percentage will drop dramatically and will not receive the highest daily returns. This is an anti-whale mechanism that prevents a whale draining the TVL. Is replanting more often better 2 or 3 times a day? Replanting is the same as compounding, so essentially yes, you will need to pay standard MATIC gas fees for every replant. And with these layer 1 networks, these gas fees are just pennies. This is why I love these layer 1 networks. What are seeds? Seeds are the miners that are hired with MATIC and work to get your rewards. This is just a term we decided to use. Crypto OGs will know seeds as MATIC. And here are some more common questions. Can I get my initial back? The Farmhouse is a locked rewards pool, so no. You get your initial back over time through the My Rewards section of the DApp. So once you do invest, that is a sunk cost. You lose those tokens. How come my referrals aren't showing? Where are they? Your referrals show up in the My Rewards section of the Farm DApp. Referrals are 13.5% of the 2% dev fee. So those referrals do get taxed that 2% dev fee, which is not bad. That's very reasonable. What are the fees? There's a 2% dev fee taken upon all deposits and withdrawn from the Farmhouse. Standard MATIC network gas fees are required for every transaction made deposits, withdrawals, and replants. Common issue when replants is no gas fees. So it does look like there is some incentive for replanting, no gas fees. Do seeds amount decrease when you harvest? No, the seeds amount will not change. If you make a new deposit or replant, the amount will increase, but not when you harvest. Take rewards. The seeds are less efficient over time if you harvest too much. Is this sustainable? Yes, as long as there is TVL, total value locked, in the contract, then there will always be rewards. The hungry people who harvest too much get punished and get lower and lower rewards. It will last a long time the higher the TVL is. So there is some Ponzi-nomics, just like we've seen in all these projects. These projects are based on new money coming in a weekly basis. What is the best strategy? We recommend the tried and tested method, as in it's written in the contract. Replant 6 days and harvest 1 day a week. It will compound your investment and receive your initial back in 6 to 8 weeks. So this is a common method that we've been seeing throughout these miners. Recompound 6 days and take profits the 7th day. What prevents the devs from rugging? Great question. The contract is immutable, therefore cannot be changed or altered in any way, shape, or form. It is audited and verified. You can view this on polyscan.com, and the audit is found on the website. On a side note, I haven't seen one of these miners get rugged yet, and some of these have been running for several weeks and several months. The 6-1 strategy explained. It is 6 days, not 6 replants. In those 6 days, yes, you can replant as many times desired. It is just compounding faster. So that's good. They clear this up. I think this is the first time I see this in the documents where it's not 6 replants, it's 6 days. Is it too late to invest? No, the contract is written to provide a optimal entry for any and all users, new or old. This is the reason the seeds per MATIC amount changes frequently with TVL fluctuation to provide an even playing field for any new user coming to the farmhouse and not giving the first users a head start. The value of the seeds are always fluctuating so that it's a level playing field. Can contract functions be added? No, the contract is immutable and cannot be changed. The contract works perfectly well as it is. No wallets can be blacklisted. No forcing people to replant 6 days and harvest 1 day a week. Nothing can be changed. Does it have an anti-whale mechanism? The contract has an inbuilt anti-whale mechanism. This works as follows. User 1 replants 6-1, gets highest daily percentage in that 24-hour period. User 2 does 5-2, gets a lower percentage. User 3 does 4-3, gets lower percentage again. This happens all the way until the user who harvests continually, rewards will drop to 0.5% per 24-hour period. This is to prevent one user draining the TVL, creating sustainability. So they do have that anti-whale mechanism. This is why they recommend the 6-1 method. What is the minimum deposit? The minimum new deposit into the farmhouse is 1 MATIC. And 1 MATIC is trading under $2. So it's very affordable. If there are rewards in the My Rewards section and you can make a new deposit, both the new deposit and rewards are transferred into seeds. Fairly inexpensive to get in. What is the minimum replant? The minimum replant is 1 MATIC. So you can recompound unless it's 1 MATIC. You will always be charged standard MATIC gas fees for every interaction with the contract. Here's a disclaimer. We do not guarantee 7% a day. It is up to 7%. So they are stating that they're not guaranteeing 7% daily, but depending on the TVL and the way that you recompound, you can earn up to 7% daily. Do not invest more than you can afford to lose. And here's a glossary for some basic terminology. I will leave all reference links to this project under the description of this video for your convenience if you want to do some further research. So that pretty much answers a lot of the basic questions. Now let's take a look at the audit to see what the contract is stating. This was audited by Hayes Crypto. It earned 2.5 stars out of 5. And here is the conclusion. The farmhouse smart contract found no vulnerabilities, no backdoors, and no scan scripts. The code was tested with compatible compilers and simulated manually, reviewed for all commonly known and specific vulnerabilities. So the farmhouse smart contract is safe for use in the Polygon main network. They do have one high issue here, and it's basically stating that once you do deposit, it's that sunk cost. You lose those tokens and you can only recoup that cost through those daily rewards. Independent description of the smart contract functionality. The farmhouse smart contract provides the opportunity to invest any amount in MATIC, minimum is 1 MATIC, in the contract and get daily profit on investment if the contract balance has enough funds for payment. All dividends are calculated at the moment of request and available for withdrawal anytime. The launch date, it will be 1 hour from the launch of this video. Contract owner's fee, deposits is 2%, withdrawals is 2%. These are some of the lowest fees I've seen so far. Investment plan, the basic interest rate based on the audit date is 5.96% daily. So they are stating 7 if you do play the game right and you recompound 6 days out of the week and take profits that 7th day. So on average it's stating around 6%. The daily rate will be changed based on the deposit and withdrawal of the other users. Here is how they calculate the miner price formula. The miner price formula equals to deposit amount divided by deposit amount plus contract balance times market seeds. That's how they formulate the miner price. The market seeds, it is an amount that will be defined in the initial of the contract and will be changed by deposit, withdrawal, and compound. The initial amount is, I believe this is 108 billion tokens. 20% of each deposit or compound will be added to market seeds. The withdrawal amount will be added to market seeds. An increase of the market seeds will reduce the daily rate and increase sustainability. So this is how they control the seeds. And here's a formula for the withdrawal. Withdrawal amount MATIC formula. User seeds divided by user seeds plus market seeds times contract balance. So these numbers will continuously fluctuate. User seeds, each miner will produce 1 seed each second. Miner produce seeds maximum of 12.5 days. Users should try to withdraw or compound their produced seeds. After withdrawal or compound, miners will start working again. So it looks like if you don't touch the app and you just leave it dormant for 12.5 days, you will stop earning any additional rewards. So you do have to be active and be on top of it. But like most of these miners, you just come in here, recompound 6 days out of the week and take those profits the 7th day. But let's just say you forget about that investment, then you will stop earning rewards. Users can withdraw or compound many times without any limit. And here is compound. Hatch seeds. Users can compound their available seeds and buy more miners. Miner price will be calculated based on the mentioned formula above in the deposit section and real-time numbers of market seeds and contract balance. And here's that referral system. The contract pays 13.5% referral commission over 1 level. That's the highest I've seen so far. The commission is 13.5% of the referral deposit of compound seeds. The commission will be paid as seeds that users can withdraw or compound it. Users cannot use their wallet as a referral for themselves. And that is the total breakdown. That's everything you need to know to get involved in the farmhouse. This will be launching 1 hour from the release of this video. I will leave all links under the description of this video for your convenience. And let me know in the comments down below, which of these miners are you currently invested? Let me know which one you've had the most success and if you will be investing in the farmhouse. That's going to do it for this one. If you found this video of any value, please make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more time-sensitive videos just like this one. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.